Hello, my students. Today we'll go over what is dropshipping and the benefits. So the benefits of dropshipping is no inventory. So you don't need the huge warehouse to have hundreds of products listed. You only buy the product when the customer orders it. Amazon provides all the traffic. No need to purchase Facebook ads and hope someone buys your product. And how we make money. Let's say we find a product on Walmart selling for $50. Then on Amazon, we see it selling for $100. We post a Walmart product on Amazon, and when it sells, we make simple profit. I would say we make $50, but with Amazon fees, you actually make $35. But making $35 profit just for shipping an item, that's great, isn't it? So basically, we find products on Walmart, we list them for sale on Amazon. The buyer purchases your item from Amazon. You purchase the item from Walmart and ship to the Amazon buyer's address. And every 2 weeks, we get a deposit to our bank accounts from Amazon. Easy, right? But let's get started. We have money to make. Bye.